Hey guys, today I have a Kenmore Elite direct drive washer and electric dryer set, and I'm kind of excited about this one, not gonna lie. This is the direct drives, the little bit older style that use full submersion. Didn't have to mess with any belts or anything like that. Has the center agitator post, king size capacity on this one here, so you're going to be able to fit a lot of clothes in there. You've got the center agitator that's going to get those clothes nice and clean. Little note on the agitator, I always mention this in all my videos that have this setup here. This should be able to spin freely clockwise, and it can. There's just a ton of clothes in here, and not back counterclockwise, so I cannot move it back counterclockwise. And that's how these should work. And what happens is it makes essentially kind of a kick noise as it works, and that's how you know it's working correctly. If you didn't hear that kick noise, then the agitator would just be sitting there not moving at all, and your clothes wouldn't be getting agitated or moved around or working at all. So we've got some down here. You can see heavy duty, king size, 3-speed motor with 6-speed combinations. That's this right here, which is awesome for you to be able to set up for your delicate items. And you've got a ton of temperature controls, and it's got this nice classy biscuit color too. It's not the dark off-white almond color. This is a real light creamy biscuit color. It's most of your interior walls, when they go off-white, this is gonna match that, and they look really good sitting side by side. I'll get the dryer over here in just a little bit, but first I wanted to show off the washer. Got it all hooked up, that it's running as if you were standing here yourself checking it out. So right now it's agitating. You can see full submersion with the water there. It's doing its thing. I'm going to show you that it drains the water out like it's supposed to, and then has a nice fast smooth final spin cycle. And I really kind of loaded it down there with jeans, towels, jackets, pretty heavy load. Kind of wanted to try out the king size capacity, and I was able to fit probably a fourth more of a basket than I normally do on these loads here. So it's pretty cool. Anyway, we'll let this kind of move through here and show you the rest of the cycle as it moves through. All right, moving out of the wash cycle into the rinse cycle. Goes draining that water out nice and fast. Hopefully not too fast. But it's going to actually drain this water out all the way. Then it'll switch over and spin to extract the used up water out of the clothes. It'll fill all the way back up with rinse water, fresh water, agitate for a bit, and then it'll spin that water out, drain, and then spin that water out on the final spin cycle. Second rinse, spin, you have all those different settings here. So I'm going to give it a minute to go ahead and work through this cycle. Then the next thing I'll do is show you that nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. Then we'll move on to the dryer. All right, moving out of the rinse cycle into the spin cycle. It once again is going to drain first, then it'll switch over to spin to extract the water. That drain kick in, and I'm not going to lift the lid up right now because that would interrupt this draining process, but I will as soon as it's spinning high speed nice and fast, so you can see everything spinning high speed there. So we'll come back here and we'll give this about 5 minutes. All right, we're back on the final spin cycle. You hear it spinning nice and fast. Now what I'm going to do is lift the lid up. The lid switch is going to kick in. It's going to shut the machine down, but you'll be able to see it spinning nice and fast before it puts the brakes on and stops it. So here we go. There it is. So we'll let that get back up to speed, finish spinning out, and then we'll move the clothes over to the dryer. All right, we're all spun out, and it has finished up. So we'll go ahead and move these clothes over to the dryer. As you can see, they're nice and light. Did an excellent job spinning everything out. There you go. Okay. We'll just pause here and I'll use both hands. That's a lot of clothes. Okay, cleaned out now. You can see that's that king size capacity. Huge, deep. It's really deep. And cleaned out there. So now we come over here. Got all those clothes tucked in there. You've got your lint trap right here. So want to make sure that gets changed before each load. Close that up. We'll just go time dry, high heat. There you go. And we're gonna let that heat up for just a minute. Grab my temperature gun here. Temperature gun, whatever I shine it on there, it's gonna tell me the temperature. So it's about 68 degrees here. 63 degrees down there on the ground. So I'm gonna give this just a minute to warm up. Doesn't take too long for the heat to start pumping out there. But you've got time dry. It goes all the way up to 80 minutes. Most of them will only do 60. Some of them are only up to 30 or 40 minutes. But since this is king size capacity, right there, king size capacity, you get to go all the way up to 80 minutes because they're just assuming you have, quite a bit more clothes to dry. Air dry for your delicates, and then your automatic cycle here where you can just kind of set it and forget it, and you can control your heat setting on that automatic as well. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Let's make sure this is ready to go. So you can see everything's tumbling. Shoot it right inside the heating element grate there. Plenty of heat coming out of that grate. Let's see if I can focus on that. There we go. So heat's gonna pump out right here. The inside of your dryer is only gonna heat up from about 95 to 195. Just depends on how long it's been running and what you have that heat setting at. All right, I'll go ahead and get these listed up. Now you know everything on them works perfect. Get it home, plug it in, you'll be good to go. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.